Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a dull to very colorful video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this clip and I'm going to actually just go to adjustment and use an LUT here. I have a video on how you can use this, so make sure you check that out first. But I'm basically going to find one that is very bright and colorful. Maybe like this one or this one. I'm just going to choose the blue hour one and adjust the strength just a little bit. And I am going to export that. And I'm just going to use bright and select export. And once I have exported that, I am going to insert the same video that I just exported. So let's do that. It is here. Oops. And on this one, I'm just going to select none, and I'm going to select this one up here. Actually, I'm just going to delete this one, and I'm just going to insert the one that we added. Then you are going to actually select another one, and you're going to choose a very dull looking filter, well, LUT. Then you are going to click on this add keyframe and kind of where you want it to be bright, for instance here, you want the strength to be at 0. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the video turned from dull to very colorful and bright. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!